Good evening, creators. This is Nasdaq Godfather of Social Business Forex, the Kingpin of Wall Street, who does a follow by lead Nasdaq. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. So today, guys, is actually Sunday, and tomorrow the markets are opening. So I'll be focusing more on tomorrow's Nasdaq updates. You understand? So yeah, guys, feel free to actually like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified once we upload. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's just get into it. Let's just get into the chart, guys. Let's just do business. You understand? So this is actually our weekly time frame. So on your weekly time frame, what we are actually looking for, we're actually looking at your highest turning point right here. This is actually uh our highest turning point at the moment, and our lowest point right there at the bottom. So we can see, we can all see that Nasdaq actually broke our highest turning point and gave us like a new potential high. You understand? So yeah, guys, now we're just going to see like uh where is the next direction, like where is the next destination. You understand? So yeah, guys, I did say on our previous videos, two videos, I said that Nasdaq was actually going to give us like new beautiful highs. You understand? The market was actually going to break this high. The market has to retest and has to take profit. It has to hit our take profits on our vertical trend line. You understand? So let us see what I actually said. Is it still valid? You understand? Because I cannot be preaching something that I was saying 2 weeks ago and saying that the market is still going to do it this week. You understand? The market moves like crazy. You understand? We do have fundamentals that will actually destroy like the whole pattern. So when it comes to fundamental, the fundamental either gives you a new structure that you should follow, or it follows your current structure. You understand? So if the market actually did breaks your current structure right now, you're actually on a downtrend. You're actually on the downtrend, and the market actually hits on the fundamentals. So the market actually might give you like a beautiful uptrend. You understand? Like a new beautiful selling setups. You understand? So yeah, guys. So we do have our two touches right there at the top, and we do have our two touches at the bottom. You understand? So we do not have like three touches, but let us just move furthermore to the downside and see if we were actually using our major keys, do we have three touches or something? You understand? Like we have to, because we cannot enter if we do not have like our beautiful major key. You understand? So this is actually our trend line, and yeah, since this is actually an uptrend and we have two touches, not more than two touches on both sides. So I'll be looking for previous broken highs. You understand? So where the market actually touched and gave me a big movement. You understand? So where the market actually reversed, like stop the big movement. So I believe in the fact that if the market actually stops the big movement, once the market actually comes back to that very movement, it has to give me another beautiful movement, sometimes bigger or better. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's just move further more. So I'm now actually labeling all of them where the market actually reversed, stopped big movement. You understand? So that means that I believe in all those levels. So let me try and identify all of them. Oh, and guys, like if you actually analyzing and you put in trend lines, normalize putting your trend lines on the week. You understand? Normalize putting them on the week, guys. You cannot be having trend lines that are actually floating in air. You understand? Because that will actually like disturb you if you're actually moving furthermore to the downside. Understand? Because remember, if you're moving to the downside, like a run is actually a trend when you're moving furthermore to the downside. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's just move furthermore to the downside and see what we're actually looking for. I think I have labeled all of them, everything that I actually needed. You understand? So yeah, let's move furthermore to the downside. So now we're actually moving to 4 hour time frame. You understand? So on 4 hour time frame, what are we actually looking for? All right, so I am looking like a beautiful major key right there at our 4 hour time frame, like the bottom side. I'm not sure with the top side, but I am seeing like beautiful two touches right there at the downside. Understand? So I'm just going to draw them. I have my first touch right here, and I have my second touch. Oh, I think I'm seeing three touches. Is it three touches? Let me just see. Right there. Okay, let me try and zoom in and see if I do get like beautiful three touches right there. Yeah, guys, it's actually beautiful three touches right there at the bottom side. You understand? So now I am waiting for the market to actually break. You understand? The market has to break one of these levels right here. You understand? So let me see at the bottom side. I do have like two touches. Okay, at the top I'm not seeing any touches at all. Okay, I do have my two touches right there. Let me try and fix it. Okay, let me just take it from here, guys, so you guys can actually see like where those touches at. You understand? I'm just going to start there. I'm just going to put my trend line right there at the bottom, at the top, you understand? So now, guys, I do have my first take profits right here. This is my first take profits, and this is my second take profit right there at the top side. So it's still going to the top side. Why am I saying that? Is because I am actually waiting for the market to actually come back, hit this, come back to respect this previous broken high right here, and the market has to go up to the top side. So the market can either way come back to this previous broken high right here, because this is a previous broken structure as well. You understand? This is actually like our like our latest broken high, the market that has to respect. So the market either is going to come back to this level, give us buying opportunities, or the market is actually going to come to this level and still give us buying opportunities. You understand? So like for you to actually develop an understanding to my strategy, I would advise you guys to actually watch every video, and you can see that I have been preaching the same things over and over and over again. So by me preaching the exact same things over and over again, and you watching my videos over and over and over again, that will make you like a master to everything that I am making. You understand? To everything that I'm actually preaching, you actually now know how to predict the market as well as I do. You understand? So let's just move further more to the downside. So we're now actually on our 1 hour time frame. You understand? And on our 1 hour time frame, I am looking like at still pop like beautiful possible buying opportunities that the market actually has to reverse from this level right here. The market has to reverse from this level and give us more beautiful buying opportunities. You understand? And I am looking at my 1 hour time frame and at our beautiful broken high right here. Wait, give me a second. I'll highlight it. Let me highlight this high right here that was actually broken. So I am looking at this high, and I'm seeing that the market actually did reverse. You understand? And respected it. You understand? Respected it, and the market actually went to the top side as how it was supposed to be. You understand? So since the market has already completed this market's journey right here, you understand? Because like this is how the market actually moves, guys. This is how the market moves. So it's impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. You understand? This is how the market actually moves. So what I'm actually looking at right now is that the market did actually break from this level, gave us an impulse, gave us a correction, and has to go again and give us another beautiful retest. Understand? So let me try and unzoom the chart and show you guys like the overall direction of what I'm actually saying. Okay, so you can see that the market actually came from the downside, understand, and it was stopped. So this level actually did manage to actually stop a big movement and created another big movement as well. You understand? And unfortunately, it broke, and it gave us like a small movement right here. It gave us a small movement that actually created a very big movement going to the top side. You understand? So that's what I was about it. As I said, the market goes impulse, correction, and impulse again. So now what are we actually waiting for? We're actually waiting for an impulse movement. You understand? So let me try and validate this trend. Let me see what it was doing in the past. Exactly. So this trend right here has been like one of our major trends. You understand? So now I'm now confident with the market no longer coming at this level, but the market actually coming to its downside right here at the bottom side right here. So I'm now looking at like beautiful buying opportunities right here going to the top side. You understand? So that's our first take profit. That will be our last take profit right there at the top side. You understand? So we have our stop loss somewhere right here at the bottom side. You understand? So let me try and remove this. Right. So we're actually waiting for the market to actually come back. You understand? Come back right here, and we will actually activate our buying opportunities, and the market actually has to take off. You understand? So let's just move furthermore to 30-minute time frame. You understand? So for 30-minute time frame, I'll see if I can see like a beautiful potential major key that I can actually use for better entries. You understand? Because like actually looking at our entry right here that we're actually waiting for the market is actually going to take very long for the market to actually come back to this level right here, and then for me to actually take those buying opportunities. So now I am moving furthermore to the downside, 30-minute time frame, and I am drawing my major key right here at the downside. You understand? So let me try and check how many touches do I have. So I have my first touch, second touch, and let's just move further more to the upside. Okay, so I have my first touch right here. This is my first touch right here at the top. So I'm just going to start from the top side. So I have my first touch right there at the top. Moving further more to the downside. I have my second touch right here, right there, and I have my third touch right here as well. You understand? So guys, that's about it. So this is actually like a beautiful major key, because I have my first touch right here, which the market actually did reject. Second touch, that touch right there. You understand? So yeah, that's what we're actually waiting for. So now the market possibly will reverse from this level as well. You understand? So this is actually our also our previous broken high as well. So now I just found out like how strong is this high right here that was actually broken. You understand? So now the market can like give us like beautiful selling opportunities. You understand? So now what are we actually waiting for? You understand? Let me try and adjust this trend. Try and adjust this trend. You understand? So remember, guys, what I said earlier on. You understand? Just because I have my major key right here, you understand? That doesn't mean that I will say that no, you can execute your buy from this point right here, which is also like also accurate as well, that you can execute your buying opportunities from that level. You understand? Going to the top side. That's all. You can also make money out of it. You understand? But now we are focusing like on what we have been seeing from our weekly time frame. You understand that the market has to come back from this level and going to the top side. You understand? So what I saw from a weekly time frame can never change whenever I'm moving to the like to the smaller time frames. Because if I can go back to the weekly time frame, this is what you guys can see. Nah? This is what we saw from a weekly time frame. The market actually did break out. You understand? Let me try and zoom. All right, so since the market actually gave us an impulse movement, you understand, on our weekly time frame, it has to give us a beautiful retracement to the downside. You understand? Let us move further to the downside. Let us see on our daily time frame. So we're already looking for selling opportunities on our weekly time frame. Understand? Daily time frame as well. Daily time frame as well. The market hasn't came back to the downside. You understand? So if the market actually reversing from this level right here, it's also invalid, because now it's actually invalidating this resistance right here at the bottom side. You understand? So I'm still preaching that the market has to come back to the downside right here. You understand? So let me just move further more to the downside. So I am now going back to 30-minute time frame, and now I am seeing that as much as this major key is very valid, but the market is still going to invalidate it. Why? Because the market is still going to come back to this major key, you understand, and play around as well and give us like beautiful selling opportunities. Why am I saying that? Because I'm now waiting for I'm not going to trade those candlesticks right here. I'll wait for the market to actually come back to the downside. So I'll wait for the market to actually come back, you understand, break. Once the market actually breaks, you understand, from this level, that's when I'll take in my short-term sells. You understand, risky sells as well. These sells are very risky. You understand, but I will take them because I'm confident about them, because they're leading me to the downside where I will execute my long-term buying trades. You understand? So I will have my short-term sales right here. This will be my take profits right here at the downside. You understand? And from there onwards, I will be taking in my buying opportunities to our main take profit right there at the top side. You understand? Right there at the top side. Yeah, guys, I think that's about it, guys. Yeah, guys, I think that's about it with our analysis. Let me try and unzoom the charts. yeah i think I think that's about it, guys, with our analysis, guys. So like, feel free to actually hit the comment sections if you have any questions you need me to actually elaborate more on our following video, guys. So this is just the Godfather. I'm Shushun Bishop Forex, the Kingpin of all studio. Doesn't follow but lead Nasdaq. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified once I upload. That's the Godfather signing out. Down.